Navigating mishaps, understanding, sorry, wrong floor. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and common phrase you might encounter in English-speaking environments. Sorry, wrong floor. This expression is not just about elevators or buildings. It's a gateway to learning polite expressions in English for rectifying mistakes. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the nuances that come with it. Stick around to enhance your English communication skills, especially in awkward or mistaken situations. Sorry, wrong floor is a phrase often used in scenarios where someone realizes they have arrived at the incorrect level of a building, usually after exiting an elevator or when knocking on the wrong door. It combines an apology, sorry, with a statement of the mistake, wrong floor. This phrase is a concise way to acknowledge the error and indicate that you understand you are not in the right place. Sorry is a polite expression used to apologize or express regret. It shows that you recognize a mistake or inconvenience caused to others and are expressing your apologies. Wrong indicates a mistake or error. It shows that something is not correct or not as it should be. Floor refers to the levels within a building. Buildings are often divided into floors, and each floor may have multiple rooms or offices. Combining these words, sorry, wrong floor, is a polite and quick way to address a minor mistake of ending up where you didn't intend to. This phrase is particularly useful in everyday scenarios, especially in office buildings, hotels, or residential apartments with multiple floors. Here are some situations where you might use it: exiting an elevator on the wrong floor, approaching someone's door mistakenly, realizing you entered the wrong room in a building. When using this phrase, it's important to maintain a polite tone and a brief apology. A smile or a slight nod can also help convey your apology non-verbally. Using sorry, wrong floor effectively demonstrates the importance of politeness and effective communication in English. It shows that acknowledging mistakes, no matter how small, helps maintain a courteous and respectful environment. This phrase is a simple yet powerful tool in your English language arsenal for navigating social interactions smoothly. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning, usage, and significance of the phrase, sorry, wrong floor. Mistakes happen, but it's how we address them that counts. This phrase is a perfect example of combining apology and clarity in communication, making it an essential part of conversational English. Thank you for watching, and remember, every mistake is an opportunity to learn and improve your language skills. See you in our next video.